Take a ride in the 2025 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.